The iPad mini 2 can still be a very useful device, especially if it's updated to iOS 12, which is the latest one that it can take. Mine is in iOS 9. I have used this device to read, and to read basically. I was using this to read the Bible, news articles, and other ebooks. I would occasionally use this as a dictionary tool as well, especially for Japanese words. So in the right hands, you could definitely use this device for heck, another 10 years if all you're going to use this for is to, well, take notes, read ebooks and the Bible, and use it for a dictionary. If you found a way to use this device for more than 10 years after I upload this video, please let me know what you do with it, but I am retiring the iPad mini 2, mostly unless I make videos on it. As a collector and a person who loves to show off his collection of technology, I'll still keep this device and use it for that. Another big reason why I'm retiring it is because I got this Samsung A11 Plus, and I'll have to make a video on why I decided to go from an iPad mini 2 to this device, but mainly it's because I needed something that's going to last me a little bit more than, let's just say, 10 years or so. If you like content like this, please like and subscribe. It will help me out more than you think. And if you have any comments or questions or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section below.